We have returned to the Sandbar Dam on the Stanislaus River in the Sierra Nevadas. The 16-foot tall AquaDam has not prevented water from seeping into the work area at rates greater than acceptable. So now a tarp, 2 layers of woven material and 2 layers of watertight material on top. And it's a sheet 60 feet wide by 406 feet long. This sheet will be draped over the side of the 16-foot tall AquaDam and hopefully sunk in the current. One 10-inch pump, 2 6-inch pumps, and 1 4-inch pump are being deployed to keep the work area dewatered. Their work area is dewatered, but they don't want to pump so much because they get charged for how much they pump. So now the plan is to deploy a sheet of material all along this AquaDam from the top of it, 30 feet down the side of it, to 30 feet out into the water. It was a pretty good seal, all things considering, but the contractor wants to make it better. The workers are unrolling the sheet along the top of the AquaDam. The sheet is 400 feet long. Now the men will be walking the tarp back towards that end of the AquaDam, arranging it in position on top of the AquaDam so they can be pulled over all in one piece into the river channel. Because we're deploying the tarp on top of the AquaDam, we need to turn the tarp as the AquaDam is turned so that it comes off the AquaDam parallel to it at all angles. Next turn has been made. The crane scuff will be removed, and then the next section of tarp will be unrolled. We've unrolled the length of the AquaDam with the tarp. There's still approximately 30 to 50 feet left on top of, or left in the roll. We're now pleating the tarp back so we can move the slack towards the downstream end of the AquaDam. The workers are tying off white twine to the top loop on the sheet. This twine will be pulled back, tied off to this rope, which has been strung through these loopholes. This will be our tie-off point to anchor the upside of the sheet. The ceiling sheet has been unfolded over the top of the AquaDam. The top edge is being tied off to a rope that's been threaded through some loopholes, similar to that. But up there, this rope down here, as I understand it, is a secondary rope. Lines have been tied from the downside of the sheet. This is the part that's going in the water. We go across the river. We'll have one person on each rope on the opposite bank. And those people will be pulling in such a way that the sheet comes straight out from the side of the AquaDam along its entire length. You can see the tarp on top of the AquaDam and the makeshift sheeting that they've attempted previously in order to try to seal the stream bank. We've got probably about 20 to 30 ropes stretching from the bottom edge of the sheet on top of the AquaDam to the opposite bank. Workers will be here on the opposite bank, pulling perpendicular to the AquaDam, respective or relative to each tie-off point, so that the sheet comes off the AquaDam in a straight line in all directions. The pulling is beginning. We've pulled about 15 to 20 feet of the skirt off the AquaDam. It's floating on top of the water for the most part. The downstream side has not been pulled out as far, and we're moving men down there to man the ropes so that can be pulled out straight along with these.